Alright, we got the Black Friday 2022. The Harbor Freights, yes. This is the Black Friday sale. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs their platform, by subscribing and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. Alright, to start here with the Hercules, they got the buy one get one free. You buy any of the tools on the left, starting at 44, you get a free 2.5 amp hour battery. That's actually a pretty good deal if you think about it. These batteries are top of the line Samsung cells inside, so keep in mind these are pretty nice tools. I know the new ones are coming out; those are brush tools, but the new ones are coming out brushless. But you know, overall somebody to start, that's a good deal. Save $25 if you buy a tool, battery, and a charger. So they got this deal going on too. They do have some brushless tools, especially those impact wrenches. Alright, so it's early Black Friday, limited time only, $64.99 hammer drill combo. And you got the battery bundle, 2 batteries at $34.99 each if you buy 2 or more. So that's a pretty good deal for 3 amp hour batteries. So around 68, 70 bucks for 2. Alright, they got the jacks. I know these jacks have been they've been raising the prices, but I believe there's gonna be some on Black Friday weekend. So keep an eye out. I believe the Pittsburghs, the red ones, are gonna be on sale. I don't know if these are actually gonna be on sale, but I know the Pittsburghs, they're solid. They're all solid. You got early Black Friday and Wednesday, 11/23. You got a creeper. You got some bit socket sets there for $9.99. You got a polyurethane hub with worry-free tire. You got the gold-plated 3/8 Dry Professional Special Edition ratchet. You got an 1,000 watt inverter. You got some knee pads, some eye protection, battery load tester, all kinds of stuff. On this side, we got a welding helmet. It's top of the line welding helmets. You got some gloves and then you got some batteries. Cement mixer for $2.49. You got an organizer for $6.99. You got a couple flashlights there. I believe the neck one is rechargeable. You got the carbide grit hole saw set, 9-piece. So it tells you the sizes that you get there. 34 bucks. You got a drill drive sets from Warrior, 114 piece, $19.99. Not bad. I haven't tested these out, but the ones I used, they've been fine. They've been actually pretty good. I haven't used any drill bits from Warrior, but I've used the adapters to the socket adapters. Those have been actually really good. Alright, you got this heavy duty variable speed hammer drill for $34.99. Down from $59.97. You got some the work gloves that I showed you guys earlier for $179. These are actually pretty good, especially for yard work and stuff like that. And then you got the nitro dipped water resistant gloves, $349 from Hardy. And you got some vinyl work gloves, X large, $4.99. You got Orbital Jigsaw, $34.99. And yeah, they were brand out of that one. Got the bar clamps, 4-inch ratcheting bar clamps or spreaders, $179. Those are really small ones. $59.99 for the compact router from Bauer. You got some more. You got a jigsaw for $34.99. Impact wrench, ultra stubby, and then you got aluminum work platform and air hose for 34 bucks. Electric pipe threader for $199. You got a sprayer, a paint sprayer there, and then some pliers, and then a hex socket set there for $11.99. A gravity feed gun for $19.99. Some gloves. Sunlight lights is 1000 lumen solar powered motion activated light. $24.99. And then I'll show you guys this safe. I did see this safe and this roller seats. That's the one that I want to get. This roller seat, it seems to be pretty comfy, and it does include the drawers. You got the metal cutoff wheel, $5.99, a pack of 10. So that's a nice deal on that one. Then you got a welding helmet from Vulcan. Vulcan's the top of the line. You got $179.99, early Black Friday deal. And you got the black and gold, or not the black and gold, the Pro Gold ratchet, 3/8. If you want the 24 karat gold. That is the jack that's going to be on sale. It's going to be $119. That's actually a pretty good deal for that jack. You got the generator. There's the 3500 watt generator. You got the saw there, or the reciprocating saw. You got some jack stands for $31. Looks like a 72-inch box for $13.99. Jupiter inverter for $129. And you got some ramps and some creepers. There's pretty good deals on those. And then you got some more seats for $24.99. Actually, I have to buy myself some of those. One of those seats. Some bits, some paint sprayers, just all kinds of random stuff, guys. Random tools. You got an inflator there for $24. Got some welding helmets, a miter saw and a miter saw stand, impact wrenches. All right, you got the hex socket set, $11.99. That's the one I just showed you guys on the ad. So it's the 3/8 and 1/2 inch drive. It's pretty nice. I ended up picking myself a set of those. You got a 1/2 inch hammer drill kit, $64.99. Then I saw these. These are fairly new because I never seen these before. It's oil filter pliers. That's something I need to get. Then you got the old-fashioned style. That was $5. And then you got an oil filter wrench, $7.99. Adjustable back bar counter stool, green. And then you got a motorcycle tire changer stand, $89. And then you got bar counter silver stool, flame design. So they got all kinds of different stools, seats, different colors. So I'll show you guys some at the other side of this part. But these are $74. All right, we got the Icon Creeper. That's supposed to be the professional. We got the Daytona to the left. And then you got some stools with the flames and the motorcycle style stool. That's actually pretty nice. So that's $44.99, up to 300-pound capacity. Up to 400-pound capacity, 37-inch. And then you got up to 350-pound capacity for the Daytona. And those are the seats. That's a detailed seats. That's nice. It does have a nice compartment, big casters on the bottom with brakes. And then you got the other one. This one's for the mechanics. They do have some nice drawers. You guys can store your tools in there. And then the flaps do come down. I'll show you guys how that works. So $69 a piece. But yeah, this one's the Black Friday deal, so it's down to $69. Like I said, up to 350-pound capacity on both of these. Those are the drawers. And then you got the flaps on the side that go down. They do have some sort of Velcro, not Velcro, but it's material there. So, and then the seats, I believe the seats does come off if you want to, I guess if you want to take it off. Got the biker stand style pneumatic roller seat, $99.99. You got the telescopic magnetic tool. You guys know whenever you guys drop those nuts and bolts on the engine bay, they're hard to get. Well, that's the tool you need to get them out. Got the 14 feet reach, 25 foot tape measure, kind of like the Fat Max style. Pretty easy to read. It is labeled on both sides. Yeah, I was trying to get the focus for you guys, but yeah, it is labeled on both sides. That's pretty nice and clear. You got the batteries, guys. We got some deals on these batteries. So if you guys got some batteries that you need for the house, this is the time. So they're $5 a piece, $5.49 a piece per package. That's a pretty good deal on those. And they're pretty good. These are pretty good. The blue ones. Don't get the yellow ones. Those are trash. All right, you got the rechargeable lights. This is 250 lumen. This is like a neck light. From Braun. This is a good brand. $19.99. And then you got the airless paint sprayer for $5.79 from compared to Graco. It's called Advanti. That's their brand. You got the dual drum rotary rock tumbler, $59.99. And that's the way it looks. I was looking at the fan. It's very similar to the Milwaukee. It's $44. But yeah, very similar to the Milwaukee one, or the DeWalt, my bad. This is the safe that I was telling you guys that's on sale. It's $37.99. Electronic digital safe. So that's pretty nice, and it does have some openings so you guys can screw it to some concrete or whatever, a black back wall or something. You got the light. That's the 1000 lumen peel and stick light, $24.99. You got the early Black Friday, $7.99 rubber tire. SDS rotary hammer for $99. That's the tire, pretty heavy duty stuff. You got the organizer, $6.99. That's actually not a bad organizer. I do have this thing. Yes, guys, you are gonna get, if you guys put it on the side, you guys put a lot of weight on it, you might be able to get some in other parts of the organizer. But overall, I think for the price, it's actually a pretty good deal. Guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.